My name is Brianna. I am from Ketchikan, Alaska, and I've been in Mexico for a couple months now, mainly at Hridaya. Yeah, I attended the Flowering of Love workshop, and it was very transformative. It was a lot of inner clarity about our repetitive patterns in relationships and how to open our heart more to accept love and practice love with unattachment. It was also part of these workshops. I think some of the most beautiful things you can learn are like all the other students' input, and so it's really fascinating. Like one of my favorite questions in the Flowering Love workshop was, what does falling in love feel like? And the similarities and the differences and the fears of that, where it's, just fascinating being with other people and talking about subjects such as love and compassion and God. So if I was on the topic of falling, what does falling in love feel like? I think my first instinct when I was speaking about it with my partner was just my partner that I had met that day in class, not a partner that I was with, but was excitement. And so I was very being like, it like feels like this and that and that. And my partner was like, I feel like it's scary and like it's falling, like, a lot of anxiety around it. And then in turn, it kind of brought up the anxieties that do stem up when I feel like I'm falling in love, the fear of, the abandonment and such, or unhealthy attachments to love, because we want to feel like that all the time. But within this workshop, you really begin to understand that this love is just, this person is just igniting a love you already have within yourself. I would say some transformative aspects of the workshop for me was really seeing within myself, like how I fall in love with the ocean or the trees or nature's, it's how I fall in love with another person. It's like when I see that person is helping me feel all those things I feel within myself, just like when I see the ocean, for some reason, it's helping me see all this love I have within myself. Do I have any passions? Yes, I have a passion for travel. I've traveled for the last decade quite a bit. I also have a passion for food, and I love bringing people together over a meal. But I also have a passion for healing and community and yoga and connectivity.